Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of God. Today we are going to learn the subject English. In English, last week what we learned already? Do you remember? Yes, we learned alphabet A to Z with pictures and its spellings. The picture spellings also we learned, no? Yes. Apart from that, what we learned? We learned, yes, cursive small letters and cursive capital letters. Very good. Today we are going to learn lesson 1. Can you guess the name of the lesson? What picture is there? Sir? Yes, baby picture. What picture is that? Baby picture. Very good. What's the name of the lesson? Shall we see? LESSON lesson 1. This is the lesson 1. What's the name of the lesson? Yeah, NEW new BABY baby. Yeah, new baby. Shall we pass on to the lesson? Now, look at the picture, children. What can you see on the screen? You can see the colorful ribbons and the colorful balloons. Okay, when do we decorate our house? We decorate our house for festivals and for functions. Okay. And then functions. What are the functions we had? We can celebrate wedding day function, birthday function. For everything, we decorate the house with balloons. For your birthday also, your mommy daddy decorate the house with balloons, no? Yes, you all love to play with balloons, no? Yes. Now, shall we see here why they decorate the house? Shall we see? Look at here. The colorful balloons and ribbons. And who is standing here? Very good. Daddy is standing here and mommy is standing here. And one small girl is running towards mommy and daddy. Why they are celebrating the day? Because now they have a new baby. They have a new baby. Shall we read the lesson? Yes. WEBHAVE have. Yeah, NEW new BABY baby. We have a new baby. They are having a new baby. And SHE she, HAS has, COME come, HOME home, WITH with, MAMA mama, AND and PAPA papa. She has come home with mama and papa. With whom she come home? She comes home with mama and papa. Very good. And then WEBARER happy, TO2 HAVE have, HER head, INNOUR our FAMILY family. We are happy to have her in our family. They are feeling so happy to have the baby in their family. You also feel happy, no, when your younger sister and your younger brother come home? Yes. You also feel happy at that time, no? Just like that, the girl is also feeling so happy to see the new baby. Now, look at here. HER hair, NAME name, ISS TINA Tina. Her name is Tina. What's the name of the baby? The name of the baby is Tina. What's the spelling for Tina? TINA Tina. And SHE she, ISS SOSO TINY tiny. She is so tiny. Tiny means very small. You look at the small baby, no? How small the finger is, how small the nose is, everything is very small in their body, no? Yes. This baby is also having very small nose, very small eyes, everything is small. And look at the next one. SHE she, SLEEPS sleeps, yeah, LOT lot. She sleeps a lot. For long hours the baby is sleeping. She sleeps a lot. And SIT sit, on, THE there, BED bed. I sit on the bed. When the baby is sleeping, the sister is sitting near to her on the bed, And P-A-P, what happens? P-A-P-A, Papa. P-U-T-S, puts. T-I-N-A, Tina. I-N-N, M-Y, my. L-A-P, lap. Papa puts Tina in my lap. And when she sits on the bed near to the baby, what Papa is doing? Papa keeps the baby on the lap of her sister. Lap means the upper part of the leg. The part between the hip and the knee. That's a lap. Okay, children? And look at that. I-L-O-V-E, love. M-Y, my. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. I love my little sister. And the girl loves her little sister a lot. She loves her a lot. Now you understand what's the name of the baby? Tina. And she looks so tiny and she sleeps a lot. And when she sits on the bed, what father is doing, what Papa is doing? Papa keeps the baby on her lap and she loves her sister. Now you understand this? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Look at here. What she is doing? She is playing with the girl, no? Yes, she is playing with the small baby. Yes, look at here. W-H-E-N, when I-C-L-A-P, clap. When I clap. T-I-N-A, Tina. M-O-V-E-S, moves. H-E-R, hair. T-I-N-Y, tiny. H-A-N-D-S, hands. When I clap. When the girl claps her hand, what happened? Tina moves her tiny hands. When the girl claps her hand, the small baby moves her tiny hands. And look at the next one. W-H-E-N, when. I-G-I-V-E, give. H-E-R, hair. Yeah, T-O-Y, toy. When I give her a toy, she's having a toy in her hand, no? Yes, when she gives the toy to the little baby, what happened? S-H-E, she. M-O-V-E-S, moves. H-E-R, hair. S-M-A-L-L, small. L-E-G-S, legs. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. When the girl gives the toy to the girl, she gives the toy to the girl, what happens? The small baby moves her small legs. When she claps, she moves her tiny hands. When she gives the toy to the baby, she moves her small legs. Now you understand this? Yes. Now look at the next one. W-H-E-N, when. I-C-A-L-L, call. T-I-N-A, Tina. When the girl called, Tina, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Are you laughing? Just like that, she talked to the girl. What happened? S-H-E, she. L-O-O-K-S, looks. A-T, at. M-E, me. She looks at me. When the girl talks to the baby looks at her sister. Look at here. The baby looks at her sister, no? Yes. W-H-E-N, when. I-T-O-U-C-H, touch. H-E-R, hair. When I touch her. S-O-F-T, soft. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. When I touch her, soft cheek. When the girl touches her, where's the cheek? Cheek is here. When she touches the soft cheek, what she is doing? S-H-E, she. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. The baby smiles. Very good. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When the girl calls the baby looks at me. When the girl touches her cheek, soft cheek, the baby smiles. Yes, very good. Now, look at here. I-A-M-am, H-E-R, hair, D-I-D-I-D-D. Very good. Who is the elder one here? She is only the elder one. And this is a small baby. She is elder. Elder sister means how we have to say? Didi. Okay, I am her Didi. And she is the Didi. And I, T-H-I-N-K, think. S-H-E, she. L-O-V-E-S, loves. M-E, me. I think she loves me. The girl also loves her sister. I, L-O-V-E, love. Y-O-U-U-T-O-O-2. I love you too. T-I-N-A, Tina. I love you too, Tina. The small baby also likes her sister, and the elder sister Didi also likes her younger one. They both love each other. Very good. Now you understand this, no? Who is the author of this lesson? Vinita, Vinita, Khanna, Vinita Khanna. Okay? Vinita Khanna is the author of this lesson. Okay? Now you understand the lesson clearly, children? Yes? Shall we see with whom she comes home, the new baby? The new baby comes home with Mama and Papa, and they are very happy to have the baby in the family. And the name of the baby is Tina. She is so tiny and she sleeps for a long time. And when the elder sister Didi sits on the bed, when Papa puts the baby on the lap, she feels so happy and she loves her little sister a lot. And when the elder sister Didi plays with the baby, when she claps, the baby moves her hands, and when she gives the toy to the baby, the baby moves her small legs. And when she called the baby as Tina, she looks at her sister. When the girl touches her soft cheeks, the baby smiles. And then, how we have to call the elder one sister? Didi. Didi also loves the baby, and the baby also loves her Didi. Okay? Now we understand the lesson clearly, children. What's today's homework? Today's homework, you have to read lesson 1. This lesson in page number 5 and 6 in your English reader. You have to read the lesson. Okay, children? And next what you have to do? You have to learn and write the 5 new words 2 times in the rough notebook, and you have to post it to me. 5 new words. What are the 5 new words? Shall we see? Yes, look at here. Number 1, B-A-B-Y, baby. Number 2, M-O-V-E, move. Number 3, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 4, T-I-N-A, Tina. Number 5, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Okay, children? I hope you all understand the lesson clearly and you also love the lesson. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.